Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. Hope you're all fine and enjoying your classes. English Grammar Basics Part 8. We are once again revising the sentence. A sentence is a properly arranged group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence has two important parts, subject and predicate. Subject, anything about which we say something is the subject, and predicate, what we say about the subject is predicate. Examples: I am fine. Subject I am fine is the predicate, and is the most important part of this sentence. It is the verb. It is a linking word. I is the subject, am fine is the predicate, am is the linking verb, and fine is its complement. We have already seen all this, okay? Just memorize it. The baby smiled. The baby, subject. There are two words in the subject, so it's a phrase, subject phrase. The baby is the subject, smiled is the verb, and smile is the predicate too. And there is only one word in the predicate, that is the verb itself and nothing else, because it is an intransitive verb which doesn't require any object to complete its sense. Third sentence, my sister sleeps early. My sister, subject. The subject has two words, my and sister. It together constitutes the subject. My sister is the subject. Sleeps early is the predicate, and sleeps is the verb here, and it's also an intransitive verb which doesn't require any object. Here early is not the object, it is the adverb. Sleeps early. So it is the adverb that is related to the verb sleeps. Next, mother is washing clothes. Mother is the subject, is washing clothes together, predicate. Is and washing, there are two words, these are verbs. So is the helping verb and washing is the main verb, and clothes is the object here. So washing is a transitive verb. It's a transitive verb. This verb requires an object to complete its meaning. So there must be an object. So the object here is clothes. Okay, that is the thing. All these things have been already discussed. All right, dear students, our next topic is parts of speech. What are parts of speech? The words which are used in English language are called parts of speech. Words which are used in English language are called parts of speech. Each and every word in the language has been given a name. These names are, or words have been classified into 8 parts. Each part has been given a name. So these names are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are the names given to each and every word in the language. They are parts of speech. Then noun. Some words have been given the name noun. What is noun? Name of anything is a noun. Noun is a naming word. In simple words, we can say nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Any name. Name of a person, name of a place, name of a quality, name of a thought, name of an animal, a bird, or any creature or any object. The name of anything is a noun. For example, Raju is my friend. Raju is my friend. Raju is the name of a person, so it is a noun. Also, there is one more noun here, friend. Friend is a relation. Friendship is a relation. When you write friend, it is a name of a person, the relation with a person. So this is also a noun. Or sky is blue. Here, the sky is the noun. Water is essential to life. Water is essential to life. Here, water is the name of something, and life is also a name. So, whatever you see around is a noun. Whatever you see around is a noun, or whatever you imagine is a noun. Not only that we can see is a noun, but also whatever you can imagine or feel are all nouns. Okay? So, we have got different kinds of nouns. Common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Also, nouns can be countable or uncountable, or simple or compound. These are the different classifications of noun. So, we are not going to these classifications now. We will be studying all these things in detail in the coming classes. Then, what is pronoun? Pronouns are used in place of the noun, or they replace a noun. Pronouns are used in place of a noun. Just as we say, Raju is my friend. And the second time when I say about Raju, I am not taking his name again. I say, he is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. He is 10 years old. He is very intelligent. So, I have used he in the second time to mention Raju. He is my friend. Here, he is the pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I, my, me, mine, myself, we, ours, ourselves, you, your, you, yours, yourself. All these are pronouns. Okay? And then comes adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective qualifies. An adjective qualifies a noun. Adjective qualifies a noun. For example, house is a noun. House is a noun. If I say a big house, here big, the word big qualifies the noun. So this is an adjective. And a new house, an old house, a beautiful house. Old, new, big, small, beautiful are all adjectives. We will be discussing verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice time.